Assalamualaikum, my name is Ainur Sultan binti Abdul Kadir, and the topic that I choose is biomedical implant and devices, and this is actually the biotechnology product for the intersection between medical healthcare and bioscience technology. What is the biomedical implant and devices actually? Biomedical implants and devices actually refer to a wide range of medical tools and structure designed to interact with biological system for diagnosis, therapeutic or research purpose. These devices are placed inside or on the surface of our body to replace a missing or damaged biological structure and to enhance an existing biological structure. It is typically used to restore function, monitor heart parameter, deliver drugs, or support biological process within the body. As you can see at the picture in the left side, you can see the example of biomedical implant and devices. First is a pacemaker. Actually, pacemaker is a implemented medical device that generate electric pulse, and it use the battery power to prevent the heart from beating too slow. Okay, second is neurostimulator. Okay, it is actually a electronic device that deliver electric signal to brain or any our nervous system to block a pain or treat neurological disorder. Okay, C is a insulin pump. Actually, insulin pump is a function to supply continuous flow of insulin underneath your skin. Okay, last but not least is a cochlear implant. Okay, cochlear implant is actually an electronic device that provide a sense of sound to the people who are deaf. Now I will explain to you about the ethical concern associated with biomedical implant and devices. Okay, from the extrinsic aspect, the first concern that arises is about access and equity. As you know that nowadays, some medical devices are sold at high price without thinking about the poor, whether they can afford it or not. This thing actually will create the disparities in healthcare access. Ethical considerations should involve ensuring equitable distribution and affordability of this technology to all patients, regardless of their socio-economic status. The next concerns that arise is about resource allocation. As we all know that implant and devices obviously will require healthcare resource, including skilled professional, facilities and funding. But sometimes ethical dilemmas can also arise when allocating resource to high-cost device versus other essential healthcare needs. Okay, next we will move to intrinsic aspect. For intrinsic aspect, the first concern that arises is about safety and risk, because sometimes we cannot know about the risk that will happen in the future. Maybe the implant and device may carry inherent risks such as infection, mechanical failure, or adverse reaction to material. Ethical consideration should ensure the risks are minimized through rigorous testing or monitoring. Not only that, the implant that monitor or transmit personal data raise concern about patient privacy and autonomy. Ethical guidelines might address the data security, patient control over data use, and potential consequences of data breach. For social aspect, we have concern about stigmatization and discrimination. The implant and device that modify physical appearance or function may lead to social stigmatization or discrimination against individuals with such technology. Ethical considerations should include promoting acceptance and inclusion of individuals with biomedical devices. Last but not least is about a long-term impact on society. The widespread adoption of implant and devices may have broader societal implications, such as changes in healthcare delivery, workforce dynamic, and ethical norms. Ethical framework should anticipate and address this societal impact proactively. This can actually bring a sense of injustice in society without us realizing it.